Parallax adds interest to your videos by quickly creating sophisticated movement with still images. It's useful when you're making a video and only have still images available. Examples include using AI-generated images, photographs, maps, and graphs. Step 1. Use at least 2 images, one for the foreground and one for the background. Step 2. If the background image is in sharp focus, create depth of field by defocusing or blurring it with either your photo or video editor. Step 3. If your images are tightly cropped, use tools like Midjourney AI or the latest version of Photoshop with content-aware cropping turned on to zoom out your images. This will give you more space to work within your video without reducing the final video quality. Step 4. Delete the background of the foreground image by using a tool like Photoshop. Then replace the background with a uniform color that's not found in the remaining image. The new background can be any color, including traditional pure blue or green. Step 5. Import your still images into your video editor and set the project resolution, aspect ratio, frame rate, and video length to your requirements. Step 6. The key to Parallax videos is having the background image pan across the screen faster than the foreground image. Step 7. Check the composite video and adjust each image's panning as needed. Step 8. Render your video, and you're done. For the details about how to complete a Parallax video and how this video was made, please click on the link listed in the description below. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.